When I think about my big break, I think of big breaks. I feel like I've had many opportunities, but I think the first one happened through the song Elephant Shoes. Getting this phone call from KFM being like, yo, we love this song, we're going to play this song. From then onwards, watching it take off and play on various radio stations was such a surreal experience. It just kind of took on a life of its own. 2 months later, I ended up signing with a label in Cape Town, and then I signed with another one in Joburg. We then dropped a single, which would be the next big break, called Hard Boxing. Another big break for me, which would be the album Subliminal, which would get me SAMA attention, award shows. It just took things to a whole other level. And it's crazy when I think of just how one thing kind of led to the next, And sometimes when you're in the middle of it, you don't know that this could actually unlock, that this could be the catalyst to the next big thing.